pull up just a little further, please. Delta 21 Central traffic stop.
Delta 21.
Center and first for tag. 2 Tango Yankee Mike Alpha. It's on the Sword Dodge. Click 2 hours. Thanks for pulling up. You had me hanging out halfway out the street there. Thanks for pulling up a little further. You had me hanging off out.
Yeah, right here.
Okay. What's the hurry? What's the hurry? You were doing 60 miles an hour in a 40 mile an hour zone back there. You slowed down after you saw me, but that's a good thing.
Oh, I didn't even know.
Well, they're well posted with white signs up and down all the roads. Okay, and your speedometer is put right in front of you by the manufacturer of the motor vehicle.
Oh yeah, I know that. I'm saying I didn't know what the feeling was. I wasn't trying to go above 60.
Yeah, we're doing 60 and a 40. Okay, you have your driver's license with you? Who's the car belong to?
My father.
That's a Georgia license?
Yes, sir.
You just print them out on paper nowadays?
No. That's a temp license. It expires on the 4th of July.
Okay.
Get my real license.
Is that your current address up in Waynesboro?
Sorry?
Is that your current address up in Waynesboro?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You ever had a Florida driver's license?
No, sir.
Okay. Anytime, I'll be right back with you.
Central. You have another unit that you can come to me, code 1? 5 Alpha 31. 31 up.
Riley, come on here a second. Step out of the vehicle, please. Step out of the vehicle, please. I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle, please.
Yes, sir, I'm asking you.
I'm not. I don't have to explain to you. Just step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle now.
Whoa.
Don't do it! Don't do it! Son of a bitch! Central, get everyone up. I think he just went eastbound.
It's Delta 21. Yankee 22, we have one collision at this moment. Possibly eastbound on 2nd Avenue.
Look at felony batteries under the LEO.
One attention, I copy them around.
Southbound on Frederick. They're probably heading back towards the center street.
No, I'm going to go to Center Street. Just keep eyes on it. What are the charges? Felony battery, LEO. Clean looting, open warrant.
Alright, I lost sight of it at 3rd and Frederick.
I'm at TAP 2.
Yeah, that one. Correction, I got the vehicle. Looks like it's abandoned here at Frederick and 3rd. Just south of 3rd and 4th.
Was he the only occupant earlier?
He was?
Roger. I'm in 40.
Alright, I'll keep the eye on the vehicle, but I don't see him in it. It looks like he wrecked out trying to make a U-turn.